Hey friends, it's time for a top-to-bottom bathroom reset that's efficient, safe, and satisfying. You know how much I love a sparkling clean space, and the bathroom is no exception. Grab your gloves, let's dive into a smart routine that leaves your bathroom sparkling without the harsh chemicals. First things first, we gotta declutter. It's like clearing out the negativity before you can let the good vibes in. Toss any empty bottles or expired products. Trust me, they're not doing you any favors. Throw those used towels in the laundry basket, shake out the rugs, and bam! You've got a clean slate to work with. Time to banish those dust bunnies. Grab your microfiber duster or your trusty vacuum cleaner. I like to use the brush attachment for this part. Hit those vents, ceiling fans, and light fixtures. Don't forget those baseboards and corners where cobwebs like to hide. A little dusting goes a long way in making your bathroom feel fresh and clean. Let's get down to business in the shower. I like to use a natural mix of white vinegar and dish soap. It's like magic on grime, and it smells amazing. Spray down those shower walls, the tub, and all the fixtures. Let it sit for a bit while you dance to your fave song. 10 to 15 minutes should do the trick. Then grab a scrub brush and go to town. Pay extra attention to the grout and corners. That's where the real satisfaction is. Rinse it all off with warm water and dry everything with a clean towel for that extra sparkle. Chapter 4. Step 4. Toilet time. Don't worry, the toilet is actually super easy to clean. Just apply some toilet bowl cleaner under the rim and let it work its magic for about 10 minutes. While that's doing its thing, grab a disinfectant wipe or your vinegar mix and wipe down the outside. The handle, seat, lid, base, and don't forget the floor around the toilet. Then go back and give the inside a good scrub, especially under the rim. Flush, and you're done. Time to make that sink sparkle. I like to use a paste of baking soda and water for this. It's like a gentle exfoliator for your sink. Scrub away any toothpaste or soap buildup and get around the base of the faucet. To make your faucet really shine, you can use a little bit of vinegar or glass cleaner on a microfiber cloth. Chapter 6. Step 6. Mirror. Mirror. A clean mirror is essential for those post-shower selfies. My go-to for streak-free shine is a simple mix of vinegar and water. Spray it on your mirror and wipe it down in circular motions with a microfiber cloth or even some crumpled newspaper. It works wonders. Now for the fun part, organizing. Clear everything off your vanity and give it a good wipe down with an all-purpose cleaner. I like to use a damp cloth to wipe down the inside of drawers and cabinets too. Once it's all clean, put everything back in an organized way. Little trays and containers are your best friends here. Don't forget about the trash can. Empty it out, then give it a good spray and wipe down inside and out with disinfectant. While you're at it, wash your soap dish, toothbrush holder, and any other accessories with hot, soapy water. Last but not least, let's tackle the floor. I like to start by vacuuming or sweeping up any hair or debris. Then, grab your mop and a bathroom-safe disinfectant or your trusty vinegar water mix. Mop the entire floor, making sure to get those corners and behind the toilet. Those areas can get a little neglected. And there you have it, a sparkling clean bathroom from top to bottom. Give yourself a pat on the back, you deserve it. Remember, a clean space leads to a clear mind, so keep those good vibes flowing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more smart, satisfying cleaning routines. See you next time.